Hello. In today's session, we will see best practices for Selenium automation with Java code, or when we are developing a new script in automation framework. First, we need to consider explicit waits instead of implicit waits. Okay, because implicit waits are treated as a global. Okay, whereas explicit waits we can consider for the specific fields. So we need to consider the page object model pattern, because in page object model pattern, okay, we are segregating the locators and functions separately as per the script. Okay. If you don't know how to design the form pattern, okay, you can refer my earlier videos. The next best practice, like we need to download the dependencies WebDriver Manager, okay, because WebDriver Manager helps manage the browser's drivers automatically, okay, without requiring the manual updates. Then next, if in case in your application you have a mouse or keyboard interactions, okay, in that case we can use the action class. Okay, the next, when we are executing the scripts, okay, because of the applications issue or the script issue, okay, the scripts got failed, okay, to identify the exact root cause we can use the take screenshot methods, okay, and we can implement that as well. Okay. The next, okay, the best practice is we need to use the data driven testing. Okay, that means when we are executing the scripts, we need to give the different types of data, okay, either in manual verification or then automation verification. Okay, so we can pass the data either in CSV file, or we can see different XML files. So if you don't know how we can pass the data in CSV file or XLS file, okay, you can refer the earlier videos. Okay. The next best practice, we can also use we need to consider the execution things. Okay, so we need to consider the parallel execution, which saves a lot of times. Okay, so we also need to consider TestNG's parallel execution things. Okay. The next important is the exception handling. We need to use the try catch exception handling when we are designing or writing a new code in framework. And the next best practice, we can also use the soft asset. Okay, sometimes we need to execute the scripts even though our assertion are failed. Okay, instead of hard assertion, we can use the soft assertion. Okay. So now if we consider all these best practices, okay, definitely we can write a more efficient, reliable and maintainable Selenium test in Java or in automation framework. If in case you have any questions, query, please let me know. Thank you.